welcome to my channel Venus EduTech. In this video, I will give you the solutions of the sixth type of coding and decoding workout questions. So let's get into the video.
This is the first workout question. And the first question is, if 2 is added to the last digit of each of the numbers, how many numbers thus formed will be divisible by 5? So 312 becomes 314 because 2 is added to the last digit. So that 2 plus 2 4, 6 plus 2 8, 2 plus 2 4, 3 plus 2 5, 7 plus 2 9. So the new numbers are these. And the question is, how many numbers thus formed will be divisible by 5? How many numbers thus formed will be divisible by 5? Only one number, and that number is 795. So the answer is only one number. Second question, what would be the resultant if first digit of the last number is divided by third digit of the first number? So which is the last number? Last number is 657 and first digit of that number is 6, right? So what happens when 6 is divided by third digit of the first number, which is the first number 312, and third digit of 312 is 2. So what is the answer when 6 is divided by 2? It is equal to 3. So 3 is the answer. Next question, which is the highest number after interchanging the positions of second and third digit of each of the numbers? Here the second and third digit of each of the numbers are interchanged. That means 12 becomes 21, 16 becomes 61, 72 becomes 27, 93 becomes 39 and 57 becomes 75. Now the question is, which is the highest number after doing so? Which is the highest number? Is it 321? No. Is it 561? No. 527? No. It is 739. So the corresponding number is 793. So the answer is 793. Next question, what will be the resultant if second digit of the fourth number is multiplied by first digit of the second number? So which is the second digit of the fourth number? Fourth number is 793 and its second digit is 9, right? Now what happens when 9 is multiplied by first digit of the second number, which is the second number 516 and its first digit is 5. So what is the answer? 9 into 5 equal to 45. Next question, what is the third lowest numbers are formed when the numbers are arranged in descending order from left to right? Descending order means from largest to smallest, right? So 793 is the largest number and 312 is the smallest number. Now what is the third lowest number so formed after doing this, right? So which is the third lowest number? It is 572 and the number is also 572. The corresponding number, the right number is 572. So the answer is 572. This is the second workout question. First question, what would be the resultant if second digit of second number is added with second digit of fifth number? So which is the second number? 176 and its second digit is 7. So what happens when 7 is added with second digit of fifth number? Fifth number is 158 and its second digit is 5. So what is the answer? 7 plus 5 equal to 12. Next question, what would be the lowest number if second and first digit of each of the numbers are interchanged? So 15 becomes 51, 17 becomes 71, 14 becomes 41, 14 becomes 41 and 15 becomes 51. Now the question is, what would be the lowest number if doing so? So which is the lowest number so formed after interchanging the first and second digit of each of the numbers? The lowest number so formed is 413 and the corresponding number is 143. So the answer or the lowest number so formed is 143. Next question, when arranged in ascending order from left to right, what would be the second highest number? Ascending order means from smallest to largest. So when arranged in ascending order from left to right, it will become like this. And the question is, what would be the second highest number? Which is the highest number? 176 and the second highest number is 158. So the answer is 158. Next question, what would be the sum of all the digits of the second lowest numbers are formed if the positions of first and third digits of each of the numbers are interchanged? Here the first and the third digits are interchanging. The middle element remains the same. So 153 becomes 351, 176 becomes 671, 143 becomes 341, 149 becomes 941 and 158 becomes 851. So which is the lowest number after forming this The lowest number is 341, but the question is the second lowest number. The second lowest number is 351, and the question is what would be the sum of all digits of the second lowest number so formed. So what would be the sum of 3 and 5 and 1? It is 9. So 9 is the answer. Fifth question, if 1 is added to the last digit of each even numbers, how many numbers this formed will be divisible by 3? Here there are only two even numbers, 176 and 158. So if 1 is added to the last digit of these two numbers, 176 becomes 177 and 158 becomes 159. The other numbers remain the same. Now how to find a number which is divisible by 3? A number is divisible by 3 if all the digits of that particular number, if the sum of all the digits of that particular number is divisible by 3. For example, in case of 153, we can add the digits 1 plus 5 plus 3. It is 9, and 9 is divisible by 3. So 153 is also divisible by 3. And next 177, 1 plus 7 plus 7. It is 15. Again 15 is divisible by 3. So 177 is also divisible by 3. In case of 143, 1 plus 4 plus 3, it is 8, which is not divisible by 3. And in case of 149, 1 plus 4 plus 9, it is 14, which is also not divisible by 3. And in case of 159, 1 plus 5, 6 plus 9, 15. Again it is divisible by 3. So how many numbers thus formed will be divisible by 3? Only 3 numbers. The numbers are 153, 177 and 159. So only 3 numbers thus formed will be divisible by 3. This is the third workout question. The following questions are based on 5 digit numbers as given below, and the first question is, what will be the difference between the numbers which are fourth from the left and second from the left? So which is the number fourth from the left? It is 902, and second from the left it is 751. So the required difference is 151. So the answer is 151. Next question, if second and third digit of each of the numbers are interchanged, then how many numbers this formed will be divisible by 10? Here second and third digits are interchanging, right? So 32 becomes 23, 51 becomes 15, 37 becomes 73, 02 becomes 20 and 01 becomes 10. So the question is how many numbers this formed will be divisible by 10? A number is divisible by 10 if that number ends with 0, right? So how many numbers? Only 2 numbers, 920 and 210. So the answer is 2 numbers. Next question, which is the highest number so formed after interchanging first and third digit of each of the numbers? So here the middle digit remains the same and the first and the second digits are interchanging. So 732 becomes 237, 751 becomes 157, 737 becomes 737 itself, 902 becomes 209 and 201 becomes 102. So which is the highest number so formed after interchanging like this? The highest number is 737. So the answer is 737. Fourth question, what will be the resultant if second digit of second number is multiplied with second digit of last number? Which is the second number? 751, and its second digit is 5. Now the last number is 201 and its second digit it is 0. So what is the answer? 5 into 0 equal to 0. Now the last question, if 2 is added to the last digit of an even number and 1 is subtracted from the last digit of an odd number, how many numbers this formed will be a multiple of 5? So here the odd numbers are 751, 737 and 201. 902 and 732 are the even numbers. Now we are adding 2 to the last digit of these two even numbers. So that 732 becomes 734 and 902 becomes 904. And 1 is subtracting from the last digit of these three odd numbers. So that 751 becomes 750, 737 becomes 736 and 201 becomes 200. Now the question is how many numbers thus formed will be a multiple of 5? A number is said to be a multiple of 5 only if it ends with either 0 or 5. So here how many such numbers are there? 2 numbers, 750 and 200, because they ends with 0. So the answer is only 2 numbers. This formed will be a multiple of 5 and those 2 numbers are 750 and 200. I am sure you all got the correct solutions. Practice more questions and the exams are coming up. So don't waste time.
I I'm sure you all got the correct answers. Don't lose marks from this section, that is coding and decoding, because this is a very easy topic. If you find my channel useful and informative, do support me by subscribing the channel and sharing it with your friends. Also, don't forget to click on the bell icon to get notification of my latest videos. See you in the next video. Till then, have a good day and thank you.